Please be seated. Who is standing? Please be seated. Please be seated, sir. Please be seated. No, please allow the House to function. You cannot stand as you wish. Please see that. Please be seated. I'm requesting you. Why don't you listen to my request? Please be seated. No, it cannot go on like this. Please be seated. Please. I'm requesting everybody. No, sir. Please look behind. No, sir. There are 10. Okay, sir. Okay. Mr. Raja, would you like to speak?
Mention the rule.
He mentioned the rule. Okay, yes. Rule number.
Sir, 94. Sir, 94. Read.
90 or 94?
94.
94, okay.
Nishikant referred. Sir, 94.
What? Minister?
Why you are laughing?
Minister?
Don't be a laughing stop. Yeah. Don't be a laughing stop. Laughing stop. Why you are laughing?
Mr. Raja, kindly
Why you
address
are
the
laughing?
chair. Sir, 1 second, please.
Justice
please,
must
1
say.
second, please. Please address the chair.
Honorable member Nishikant submitted before this House 94. Goga is exceeding the limit beyond the 94. Now the honorable member is saying in 1971, Indira Gandhi picked up the phone and the loan was granted by State Bank. Is it within the bill? Yeah. Are you having any substantial evidence? Where is the evidence? Indira Gandhi is not in this House. Indira Gandhi is not in the House. Beyond the meets and bounds of the bill, you are referring to Indira Gandhi name without any reason and baseless allegations. But chair is permitting. What does it mean? Yes. What does it mean? Give me the ruling.
I heard you. Mr. Sambit Patra, I heard you. 1 second, please. You have anything to say in defense? I will listen. Otherwise, then I'll take a decision. Please. Yeah. 1 second, please.
Sir, I quote from, please, the honorable members, sir, to you. Sir, I draw my powers from what you laid in the rule number 94. We have to be within the ambits of the bill that is being discussed, the amendment that is being discussed. Here we are discussing the Indian banking sector and the amendment therein. So of course, the Nagarwala case is one of the foundations on which reforms of the banking sector are based. It is recorded, it is noted. It is a foundation on which the reforms of banking sector are based. And by the way, I would like to remind, sir, honorable member, Indira Gandhi did not pick up the phone. Mr. Malhotra picked up the phone. He was the manager. Indira Gandhi, assumedly, Indira Gandhi ji was a caller.
One second,
you have got the whole thing wrong.
Mananiya Mantri ji, Kiran Rijiju ji.
Raja ji.
1 second, please be seated. Please
first
be
of
seated.
all,
I'll give you a chance.
First of all, sir, while sitting here, I heard
Sir, Speaker, sir.
some of the members from opposition bench said, Chairman, hi. You raised slogans against the chair. I take serious objection to that. चेयर के खिलाफ आप इस तरह से टिप्पणी नहीं कर सकते हैं. You can raise rules. अरे एक मिनट सुन लीजिए. आप रूल के तहत बात रख सकते हैं, लेकिन चेयर के खिलाफ हाय नाराज आपने जो नारा लगाया, नाराज हो सकते हैं, आप नारा नहीं लगा सकते चेयर के खिलाफ. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, ये कोई तरीका है? ये कोई तरीका है? ये बात करने का तरीका है? ये कोई बात करने का तरीका है? आपका नेता, आपका ये यहाँ कांग्रेस पार्टी का लीडर भी है, डिप्टी लीडर भी है. अगर ऐसा ही कोई भी उठ करके खड़ा करेगा, ऐसे मर्जी से बोलेगा, सदन ऐसे नहीं चलता है. आपको ऑथराइज किया है तो आप उठिए, मगर यह व्यवस्था का बात उठाया. राजा ने रूल को कोट करते हुए कहा, मैं इसीलिए बता रहा हूं, सबसे पहले चेयर के खिलाफ जो नारा लगाया, चेयरमैन हाय, ये बहुत गलत है और इसको जरूरत पड़े तो माफी मांगना चाहिए. दूसरा, निशिकांत दुबे ने जो बात, हमारे संबित पात्रा ने जो बात रखा है, उन्होंने एक एग्जिस्टिंग केस को बताया है. कहानी उन्होंने मनगढ़ंत कहानी नहीं बनाया, एक एग्जिस्टिंग केस को उसने रेफर किया है. वो केस उन्होंने कोई यहाँ डिस्कवरी नहीं किया है, इसलिए वो केस रिकॉर्ड में है. वो हम डिस्कवरी करके नया केस तो निकला नहीं है। इसलिए मैं चाहता हूं कि इसके लिए आज बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बिल पे चर्चा हो रही है। आप बिल पे ही केंद्रित रहे, हमारे मेंबर भी बिल पे ही केंद्रित रख करके बात रखेंगे, आपके लोग भी बिल पे ही बोले, ये मेरा आग्रह है।
एक
I think while Sandeep Bhattacharya is speaking on the banking legislation, he actually crossed all the limits. Indira Gandhi ji was assassinated. She is a martyr of this country. She fought against Pakistan and won the war. Entire Indian are treating Indira Gandhi as a mother. I think I am reminding the members when Pakistan war was won, Atal Bihari Vajpayee told Indira ji was a Durga that point of time. Therefore, I think what word he used? What word he used, sir? Sir, he used the word. Indira Gandhi took the telephone and called the bank manager and asked the bank manager to be. Where he got there? Sir, he was witness there. Even whether he was present there.
Okay.
Whether he was present there.
एक सेकंड प्लीज एक मिनट प्लीज वेणुगोपाल जी अब प्लीज वेणुगोपाल प्लीज आपको अरे सुनिए एक मिनट प्लीज। हाँ, मैं एक व्यवस्था